Now in this lesson we're going to be looking at the concept of like terms. Now in algebra we may only collect like terms, i.e. terms that have exactly the same letters. Now another word for letters in algebra is pronumerals. Let's look at an example. If we consider 8a, and I've written a group of other terms there, what we're going to try to do is to work out which would be considered like to 8a. Let's do one at a time. 3a. Well, it does have exactly the same letter as the 8a, so it would be a like term. We'll group it across. The 2m is different from 8a. The minus 6a, right, the letter term, the a is exactly the same as the 8a, so we'll bring that across. The 3ab, well, there's a b involved, so it's not exactly the same. The 9a squared, well again, there is an a but it's being squared, so it's not quite the same. Just quite simple a, yes, we can say that is a like term to 8a, so we'll bring that across. The 7 doesn't have a letter at all, so we can forget that. And the a cubed, well, similar to when its a was being squared, it's going to be different from just having a singular a. So there are our group of like terms there. Alright, they're all like terms because they all have the letter a. They don't have any other letter. They can have a number involved, certainly, but they're the letter a there considered to be like terms with each other. Now let's do one more example here, 3m squared. So we're going to consider what is a like to 3m squared. This from our another group of terms. Now there's our 3m squared, concentrate on that. So we're looking for terms that have m squared. Well, there's 5m, but it's not m squared, is it? So forget that. 12mn. No, we don't need that either. The 7m squared, we would consider that to be a like term, so we'll bring that across. Negative 2m, well, the m isn't being squared, so forget that. Negative m squared, yes, we consider that to be like, so we'll bring that across. 4ab, well, not even close. 7m squared n. Well, if there wasn't the n, we would have been okay, but the n's there, so we've got to give that a miss as well. M cubed, well, that's different from m squared, so they are our like terms.